Welcome to our channel. If you need to verify your Acer account to access warranty services, product registration, and customer support, follow these straightforward step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Visit the official Acer website using your web browser and locate the Sign In or My Account option in the top right corner of the homepage. Step 2. Log in using the email address and password you created when you first registered your Acer account. If you forgot your password, use the password recovery option. Step 3. After creating your account during registration, Acer sends a verification email to the address you provided. Check your email inbox, including your spam or junk folders. Step 4. Open the email from Acer with the subject line containing "Verify your account" or similar wording. This email contains a unique verification link. Step 5. Click on the verification link in the email. You will be automatically redirected to the Acer website, and your email address will be verified immediately. Step 6. If you cannot find the verification email, log into your Acer account and look for an option to resend the verification email from your account dashboard or settings page. Step 7. Once your email is verified, complete your profile by adding any additional information Acer may require, such as your product serial numbers for warranty registration. Step 8. Return to your Acer account dashboard to confirm that your verification is complete and you now have full access to all account features, including product support and warranty claims. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.